are, it's 4th of July, huh? Happy 4th of July. Now that fireworks are legal here in Ocean State, Rhode Island, me, Vladimir Bumbumovich, we got some lovely firework gifts for you. This is Surface to Air's Sidewinder Bucket Rocket. Put on ground, light fuse, get away very quickly. Make beautiful boom and sparks. Kids love it. Kids love it. Here's something would interest everybody. Look at this. Shoulder-fired, laser-guided Roman candle. Huh? Oops, how'd that get there? Huh? Boom, boom, Uncle Sam. Go near the airport. Shoot this off. See the fun happen. Huh? Now we have for kids, we have this is lovely like a little pineapple. Huh? Who doesn't love a nice little cherry bomb? Poop in, throw on ground, get the hell away fast. Huh? And here we have party pack. Who knows what's in here? Huh? Maybe a little napalm, little warthog missile. This is very good. Lots of fun in one package, huh?
Excuse me.
You never know.
Excuse me.
Oh, yes, Mom.
You can't be selling this in front of our house.
Why? It's perfectly legal. These
No,
people love
I
the
don't
boom
care.
boom.
This is our front yard, and this, turn that around. This is my son's lemonade stand.
Well,